here we are today. We're here at the Excel Centre. You're going to ask yourself, Tim, you're a little bit early for Comic-Con. Actually not, I'm here for something else. This is the brand licensing show. So this is a more insider event. It's not going to be anything for sale. It's more where sort of business people do the deals. All that merchandise you see in the shops over here, this is how it happens. It happens at shows like this. I'm here today because I do like to see what's going on. Some sort of anime that are trying to get stuff out there in the UK. So people from all over Europe, I think actually all over the world come to this. So yeah, even licensings in other countries. The licensing that happen in different countries will be actually happening here behind me right now. So that is actually quite exciting. So for today, of course, I'll hopefully show you some of the new stuff that hopefully coming around. Some places don't really like you filming or taking photos, which is fully understandable. Got to understand certain things isn't probably ready to show yet. Well, hopefully I'll show you which cool anime stuff will hopefully be coming to the UK in the next year or so. Also, there is a character parade. I am a huge sucker for Mascot. So that's secretly one of the reasons I'm here. I love Disneyland. I love meeting mascots. I've done it ever since I was a kid, and this is probably the biggest one. So I think in about half an hour time there's a character parade. Also, I think the main thing we're here for today, there is a One Piece bar in there, a One Piece themed bar. That's very exciting. We'll definitely be showing you this One Piece bar, so make sure to watch the whole video if you want to see the really epic One Piece bar.
Right now I'm literally working under a huge Sonic the Hedgehog. This place is crazy. This is pretty cool. I kind of hope they keep it up for MCM. I really doubt they'll keep it up for MCM. But it'd be nice if they did cool stuff like this for MCM in the future. So I'm in. This place is kind of amazing. Look, just behind me there's a random Teenage Ninja Turtles photo opportunity. Guys, bring this sort of stuff to Comic-Con. We love this sort of thing. So Captain Pikachu is here. He is in a dancing mode. We hugged earlier. There was a photo of me and Captain Pikachu hugging. And there is a cool cutout before, so it's actually really cool to see. Also, the giant Pikachu is back. They got to get some use out of that. We're moving. Why am I excited about this?
Oh, look at Shrek.
Shrek is ready.
A zombie pose?
Because that is cool. Here we go.
Hi, Bluey.
We'll be following. We're gonna follow. We're gonna follow them outside.
Hi, Shrek. Here's Shrek.
Shrek. There's Paddington. Oh, Simon Sam's here. It's like my childhood. Oh, there's Barney. I'll be having words with him later. Dora the Explorer. The Ninja Turtle. Oh, Superman is here. Sonic is looking. I think Sonic has had. Sonic is here. Oh my days! It just keeps going. It's like. It keeps seeing childhood favourite. Yeah. Francis, do we need to do a high five when Cat in the Hat comes over to recreate that scene in Jingle All the Way?
Tell your parents in the reboot.
No, it's not. That's not that. She does a little bit like her, but hello. Oh my God, machine! Machine. Rebecca's gonna be jealous. She's missing that. Oh, Eagle Biggle, Eagle Biggle, Eagle Big. Oh my God, Pingu, Pingu. Oh wait, Miraculous and Pingu.
Where's Pingu?
Pingu's just come in, Miraculous.
Is that the catchphrase guy? Is that the guy?
Yes, it is. It's his catchphrase guy. Oh, there's Miraculous.
Oh,
hello.
It's like the Joel Haver cartoon.
Pingu! Pingu! Pingu, I grew up with you. He grew up with you. Do. Bugs Bunny, another classic. Okay, we got to recreate the scene from Jingle. Hey,
We've got the Fugglers.
Here we go. Oh my god, it's Cat in the Hat. High five. Oh,
Haver, like,
it's a Teletubbies. I've always wanted to meet a Teletubby. I'm legit about to cry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tinky Winky. Tinky Winky. I was the biggest Tinky Winky fan as a child.
Dinky Winky, Gypsy.
My sister was a Lala.
A motherfucking pot.
Bring back Tubby Toast. Bring back Tubby Toast. Someone here has the power to bring back.
Let's go follow the
So the mascot parade is going around. We're going to. So I like that. It actually goes around the thing. Actually, maybe we can catch it again.
Oh, got Tinky Winky stuck over there.
Tinky Winky. We are now part of the. We are now licensable at this show. Anime UK, and here's many adventures. They got the mascots. There we are.
Yesterday?
You heard that, right?
Teletubbies. Walking back out with the mascots. Sonic is making his way. Now I have like died and gone to Tinky Winky's over there. I should tell you, I should go tell him how much he meant to me. I like this as supposed to be an anime channel. It has dissolved into I love Mascot. So Terry is here. And Crunchyroll is also here. Some exciting new stuff coming. Bandai's even here. And Toei Animation. They have some One Piece displays. I got a pin. We've got Amy. Sonic's here. Let's say hello to Sonic. Hi, Sonic. I did something really cool. I'm always horrible at how pronouncing it. Of course, the studio, they had a crossover game with Capcom. They're here. They have a very small store. I think I filmed it last time. I think it's the same. I think it was the same as last time. They're really lovely over there, and they gave me a little brochure and I got their business card, so that's really cool. The cool thing here, cool thing here is it's not just anime and stuff, but they got football and stuff, and here on display is the European or the Champions League. So let's go. I even have the Premier League here. That's really cool. This one's like carrying equipment away. Love the 80s aesthetic, and they've even got carpet. Tell have like a little arcade area, which is really, really cute. Yeah, I did the Barbie. I've done it once today already. Some people didn't want their Barbie. There's even like posters up on the wall, and there's a Barbie photo opportunity, which I did earlier. But as there's no line, I think I'll do it again. Here we go, we're going to have a go on the claw machine. Right, particularly the only thing, and that's if I get the spin right. Oh, I don't think this is really going to grab. Oh, nah, I don't think we're going to get any luck. Hi Peter Rabbit! Here we are. Bizarre here. And they even gave me a bag, and they're really lovely.
Very flexible.
Yeah, I love that. I love Pingu is in good form. At one of the things we did actually want to see. This is the exclusive One Piece bar that is here this weekend. So they do have some nice One Piece art here. This is the current arc. I am so behind on One Piece. I'm still on Merman Island. As you can see, they have a load of One Piece stuff. And here we go. We've got some more lovely art. The One Piece gang Unfortunately, Chopper has been hidden. So here we are. Even the bar is all set up for it. Nice. So here I am waiting for my hot chocolate. So unfortunately there's like no exclusive food, but they do have these cool one-piece, some cool little one-piece things. These are really nice little design. And also the cup. That's really cool. Nice little feature of this show. So here we go, this is what you can get in the One Piece bar. Get Luffy and I think Zoro's on the other side, and that's the other little thing you can get. That's just a really cool thing. I'm actually sitting in the Angry Birds area because literally the One Piece cafe restaurant or bar is totally shut. It's just a nice little, and I think these can come off so I can keep the little One Piece thing. So I got myself a nice hot chocolate. Not normally a hot chocolate man, but out of all the hot drinks, that's the one I can drink. Cheers. It's a normal day. Nothing weird going on here. Here comes trouble. Heyo, Pingu.